Update on Hurricane Melissa, 7 a.m. Sunday morning in my neck of the woods. I don't want Melissa to go away with my cherries, so I'm getting them before her. I think I waited too long for this cherry tree to produce for her to just come and snap them from me. So I am having them green and young too. I would have loved to see them ripen on the tree, but I am just doing what I have to do right now because all of these will be gone. For one, they hang on so flimsy to the tree, so I know exactly what is going to happen. They're going to all blow off or beaten down by the rain. There are some other little baby ones on there that I'm going to leave, but just getting these what I can get. There are some more on there, but I will have to put down the phone to really get to them. The others. I missed this one. So I was going to get quite a few. I'm going to leave the baby ones, of course. So I already got some fever grass and some leaf of life. I am getting some of these Panadol. I just want to have some of these things inside. If it's a case where I have to leave them behind, then fine. But if not, I'll have them inside to use. Those are the Panadol. These are some French thyme. I'm going to use them for teas. These are eucalyptus. They are so strong. So strong. And I'm getting a piece of my rosemary. The rain is coming down. It's coming down. And I'm getting some thyme right here. Getting some more thyme right here. I'm just cutting off the tops so I can have it to use inside if the hurricane allows me to. I am going back to get my basket. So I was only going to get the cherry and the herbs, but then my son said to me, Mommy, why not just get the corns? The corns that I have over there, the sweet corns, just get them. Some of them I cannot harvest whatsoever, but some of them I can, just that some of them will not have the full ears on them. And he said I should get all the peppers that are in the garden. So I am going to get those. When I go inside and I strip them down, I show you what I get. Uh-oh. Damn it. Like the ones that the silks are not dried or partially dried, I'm going to leave those. But all of the ones that the silks are dry and are partially dry, I am getting those. You can see that I am still getting light showers in my neck of the wood. These are some really nice corns. So all of what is left is what I really can get. Ugh. Oh, you know, I am going to get this to orange. I'm getting my orange. My one and only orange. So now I'm just going to get the peppers over here. I'm just rest these right here. There's a whole bunch of corn these, you know? Whole lot of corns. There's a lot of peppers on this plant right here. I don't know if I'll be able to use them during the storm, but I'm just getting them. I'm just trusting God and hoping for the best. But these corns, I am going to boil. I'm going to give my neighbors a few and boil the rest. So this is my little harvest of my herbs, my cherries, spinach, all of these corns and peppers, and I decided to get my one little orange that I have. So I will continue to keep you posted as long as it is possible. As for now, this is the skies and the rain cool down. So my gardening family, I went ahead and I stripped my corns and they're not looking bad at all. For all of them, I got full full ears of corn. It's just one alone that don't look so, yeah. But all of them, even though they could have stayed a little longer and, fill up a little better, they still look good. And I'm just grateful for these right now. So it starts to rain again now. The skies are getting darker. And this is the light rain that I'm getting right now. It is approximately 8:21 a.m. now. The time is now 3:49 Sunday. And this is how it is in my neck of the woods. Had some rains, in and out, in and out. But as it is, for strong winds and heavy rains, not having that as yet at this time. It starts to rain again as we speak, as you can see. So these are the showers. We've been having light rains. I can hear some helicopters moving around in the skies, but I'm not actually seeing them. It is 4:51 now. The place is getting a little dark and the breeze is picking up in terms of it is getting more and more windy. Continue to pray for us as we look to God as well, and I'll do my very best to keep you posted once I am able to do so. Thank you so much for your prayers. For those of us in the path, continue to stay safe, and may God bless and keep all of us. Until my next update, God's willing, walk good.